The Cincinnati Bickford Super Service vertical drill press, 21 inch. It's got T-slotted rotary table as well as a T-slotted base. The rotary table is 18 inches diameter. Rotates freely, indexes around freely, has handles underneath to lock it in place, rack and pinion for your height adjustment on the table, as well as a chain gear for your spindle up and down. This particular drill press is ranged from 75 RPM to 1500, capable of say up to a 2-inch drill bit. Feed rates, thous per rev is 4, 8, 14, and 20. Everything works as should on this drill press. I'll go through some speeds and demonstrate. 75 to start with. Turn the power on. Okay. Instant reverse, just push it the other way. These machines are great for tapping. You got that low RPM, allows you to tap, you know, your larger taps and everything. Some drill presses start at 150, 200, 300. Sometimes that's way too fast, depending on what you're doing. This particular one will go to 75, so that's a good feature. 185. Go to let's go to 665. Put it at 20 thou per rev. Just pull the handle out. It begins to feed. You can also reverse it in feed mode and it'll feed back up. If you had a board head in there or something, you can bore feeding down and up. Let's disengage that. 1500. Reverse. Spindle oil going through the sight glass, if you've seen it. The spindle is up, by the way. It's cranked up all the way, pretty well all the way up to the top. The table could go down a little further. I think with the table all the way down, it measures like 20. Let's see, I think it's 24 inches. I think it's 28 inches to the top of the table to the bottom of the spindle here. 28 inches. I measured it a while ago. So, and that's pretty much it. Go through a few more of these feed rates. 14 thou per rev. 8. This drill's a really strong drill press. I mean, it'll really get through some material. It's provided me years of good service. 4th thou. So pretty much it. It's got a huge motor on the back. It's actually only a 3 horsepower, but it's probably equivalent to a 5 or 10 horsepower today with the torque. I mean, it's monstrous. So pretty well do just about anything you want to do on a drill press. So that's about it.